Guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This is just going to be a quick channel update. I am going to be getting a new laptop pretty soon, so I'm going to be able to do a lot of new things with that laptop, and I'll have the opportunity of actually being in my videos again. I'm really looking forward to that because putting yourself in the video, I feel, brings more, it brands you and it gives a more connection to your audience, and overcoming your fears and making videos is so, I believe is so important because, but like always, you're always going to get honest reviews from me. I'm always going to show you what everything is all about. I'm never going to lie just to make a sale, but I know things are starting to really ramp up now. I'm starting to get more interaction with my videos, and it's all because I never quit. I never quit, and I kept putting content out there, even if it's repetitive. Keep putting that repetitive content out there to let people know that you're confident and you believe in your business. And there's so many reasons why I chose Exitus Elite as my go-to business, and I've mentioned them a lot, but a lot of it has to do with the owner of the company. He puts the members first always, and I don't have that fear I have had in the past of other opportunities failing. And Exitus Elite is turning 8 years old now, and it's also going to get the biggest updates it's ever had since it started 8 years ago. So I'm getting a new laptop. It's going to be top of the line because there are other stuff that I like to do that uses a lot of processing power. So I want to make more things like with my videos, and I also do graphical things too. So, and it's also a gaming PC, so I can do stuff like that as well. But yeah, I'm investing in my business. My laptop I've had, it's helped me over the years, and but it's 9 years old, that laptop, and it's starting to fail. So I'm getting a new laptop. I'm going to be in my videos more, my presentation videos more as well, and I'll be able to do more with the software on my new laptop than I could with my Chromebook. I was just using the tools that I needed to use at the time, and it's good that I have those tools in the event something goes wrong with my main laptop. At least I have a way of getting out to people and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I want to say in this video. I have a lot of awesome things that I'm working on with online business and outside of online business, and I'm really excited. And I'm going to keep on putting out more and more content out there for you guys, and I will keep on updating you on my progress. I have already had 3 people call me already to learn more about because they watch one of my videos. But don't feel free to call me. I'm accessible. So if you have any questions, feel free to do it. And I'll see you guys all in the next videos. If you want to learn more of what I do, all my contact information and my links are in the description below. And I'm really excited to get this new laptop. I really am. So I'm getting a good discount on it because a friend of my brother's girlfriend works for Dell, and she's getting me a really good discount on it. So it'll have all the processing power and all the stuff that I need to do what I need to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. So I'm going to get back to my deliveries, and I'll see you later.